Welcome to Pydle Day 169. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is Bart Simpson. I hope you can recognize him from the graphic. So have a go at solving this one. If you're new to Pydle, you just want to get some more hints how to solve Pydles, then have a stick around, as I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a city skyline. For more advanced solutions, check out the Reddit page where there are some user-contributed solutions, which will teach you quite a bit of Python on like bitwise operations and other advanced features. Okay, so the way we're going to tackle this, we're going to have our X and Y ranges, but I'm going to define a list of heights for the different buildings in our city. Okay, so let's start with h equals, you can either do a tuple or a list, does not matter. Okay, so I'm going to actually take it the sky bit, because y starts 0 at the top left. So I'm going to say 2. So you're going to do something y less than 2, or so 2, comma 3, comma 0, 2, 1. Okay, so if we've got those, we can actually draw the blue sky. So let's see how we're going to use that. So we're just going to have a single Pydle statement. I'm going to leave the windows, which is those Unicode character we're going to use. I'll leave that for a bit. Let's just focus on the colors. So we've got two colors. So I'm going to create a tuple of empty string, which will just be rendered as black. And the other one is blue for the sky. Okay, so I've got that. And now, are we going to actually pick the right color? So I'm going to use our tuple with the heights, and I'm going to say y less than h x. Okay. So why is that going to work? So if y less than hx, which would be the blue bits, that evaluates to true, which is a 1 numerically. So that's going to pick blue in our list of colors. So let's just test that out. Okay, so you can see the outline of the building. And so we need to do a similar thing for our for the character. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two characters. One is for the windows, which is that Unicode character. Next one is a space, which is the empty one. Okay, and then I'm going to take the index again. So it's exactly the same as for the colors. So y less than h x. Okay. And that solves the Pydle. Hope you had fun. So it's quite a short Pydle, only 85 characters. I'm sure there are other people who did it in less. So check out Reddit. Have a go at solving Bart Simpson. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching.